Half into one and all. So in this lecture series, next we are going to see one case study. So the case study on large language models. So in this case studies, we are going to see the three important concepts. One is GPT series, the second one is Llama, the third one is Gemini. As we all know that GPT-3, as in our practical lab, we have already implemented the GPT-2 series. It is similar like a chat GPT. It converts the text, whatever input we have given, it converted into a text. It generated text one. Then Llama, it is also a similar like a chat GPT. We can simply download it from that original website and we installed it. Once installed it, we can give any input, it generates an output. So Gemini, as we all know that. If you want to generate an image, we are using that. So in our practical lab, with the help of PyCharm tool, we have implemented all these three concepts. So now the students of third year CSE section will explain this case study one by one.
Today we are going to present our case study on large language families GPT, LLMA and Gemini. A large language model is a type of artificial intelligence that understands and generates human language. These models are trained using huge amounts of text data from books, websites and articles. They learn patterns in language and can answer questions, write essay, generate code, translate languages and even have a conversation like humans. In recent years, large language models, also called LLMs, have become very powerful. Companies and research organizations are developing their own models families. Three major and popular families are the GPT series, LLMA and Gemini. Now we will discuss each model family in detail, starting with GPT.
GPT series. GPT stands for Generative Pre-trained Transformer. It is developed by OpenAI. The GPT series includes models like GPT-3 and the latest version. GPT models are trained using transformer architecture. They are pre-trained on massive dataset and fine-tuned to perform specific tasks. These models can generate text, answers questions, summarize content, write programming code, and even create creative stories. One real-world example for GPT series, which is widely used by students, developers, and business. In education, GPT helps students understand difficult topics in software development. It assists programmers in writing and debugging code. In customer service, it powers AI chatbot. The strength of GPT model is their strong reasoning ability and high accuracy. However, they require high computing and are model controlled by OpenAI. Thank you.
LLMA stands for Large Language Model Meta AI. It is developed by Meta, the company behind Facebook and Instagram. Unlike GPT, LLMA models are more open and research focused. Meta released LLMA models to support researchers and developers. Because of this, many developers use LLMA to build custom AI applications. LLMA is designed to be efficient and smaller in size compared to some other large models. This makes it easier to run on local machines or smaller servers. It is popular in the open source community. For example, many AI startups use LLMA to build chatbots, AI assistants, and research tools. It allows more flexibility and customization. However, compared to GPT, some versions may slightly perform lower in advanced reasoning tasks. Still, it plays an important role in democratizing AI technology. Now we will discuss about Gemini.
Gemini is a language model family developed by Google DeepMind. It is designed to be multimodal, meaning it can understand not only text but also images, audio and sometimes video. Gemini is integrated into Google products such as Google Search, Gmail and Google Docs. It helps users write emails, summarize documents and generate content easily. One of the key advantages of Gemini is its strong integration with Google's ecosystem. It can access real-time information and supports productivity tools. Gemini is designed for both research and practical applications. For example, in business environments, Gemini helps generate reports and analyze data. In education, it assists students in research and writing assignments. However, like other large models, it also raises concerns about data privacy and ethical AI issues.
Finally, the GPT, LLMA and Gemini are three major language model families that are shaping the future of artificial intelligence. GPT is strong for performance and commercial application. LLMA promotes open research and customization. Gemini focuses on multimodal capabilities and integration with Google services. Each model has its strengths and limitations. Together, they are transforming industries like education,